Krazy Klean has been making waves as a chemical-free toilet cleaning solution that claims to eliminate the need for scrubbing. With its unique self-cleaning technology, the product promises to prevent stains, mildew, and hard water buildup for up to 10 years without requiring refills. But is KrazyKlean.com legit, and does it live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look. Is KrazyKlean.com legit? Based on online evaluations, KrazyKlean.com appears to be a legitimate website. ScamAdvisor has given it a trust score of 75, which indicates a reasonably trustworthy site. While no website is completely risk-free, this score suggests that Krazy Klean is likely a real company selling genuine products. However, as with any online purchase, checking customer reviews before buying is always a smart move. What is Krazy Klean and how does it work? Krazy Klean is a non-chemical toilet cleaning system designed to keep your toilet bowl clean and stain-free without the use of traditional cleaners. Once placed in the toilet tank, it helps break down stains, mineral deposits, and mildew, reducing the need for manual scrubbing. Key features of Krazy Klean: no scrubbing required, reduces stains and mineral buildup. Chemical-free solution, safe for families, pets, and plumbing. Eco-friendly, eliminates the need for harsh cleaning chemicals. Long-lasting, designed to work for years without maintenance. Krazy Klean customer reviews: does it really work? User experiences with Krazy Klean vary. Many customers report that their toilets remain cleaner for longer, especially those with hard water issues. Some even notice significant improvements in stained toilet tanks. However, a few users mention that results take time and may depend on water quality. While some toilets show spotless results, others may experience gradual improvements instead of instant cleaning. Pros and cons of Krazy Klean. Pros: no need for scrubbing or chemical cleaners. Eco-friendly and safe for plumbing. Long-lasting, requiring no refills. Effective for hard water stains. Cons: results vary based on water conditions. Takes time to show noticeable effects. Higher upfront cost compared to traditional cleaners. Is Krazy Klean worth it? With a reasonable trust score and positive customer reviews, Krazy Klean seems like a legit product that works well for many users. If you're looking for a low-maintenance, chemical-free toilet cleaner, it could be worth trying. However, keep in mind that results may take time and can depend on your home's water quality.